I'm going to show you how to optimize a vector file, an AI file, into a PDF for printing into a nice small file size or smaller file size and keep print quality. This file is 227 megabytes big. That's pretty big. It's going to jam up my printer. So what I want you to do is go to File and then Save As. I'm going to save it as a PDF and I'm going to save it as a print copy. I'm going to call it print so I know that I can't edit it. Then I'm going to say save. It's going to give me a dialog box that says, do I want to preserve the editing? No. I want to uncheck all of these so this data isn't being saved and I won't be able to edit it. Without being able to edit it, it makes the file size a whole lot smaller. Be sure that you're careful with your files because you cannot undo this. Save file. It's asks warning me, do I want to remove the editing? Yes, I do. Okay. All right. It's going to start working on it. There's 12 pages here. I already did it on another file. So here's my print file. It's 102 megabytes after it got done working its magic. So that's 100 megabytes smaller. That's pretty good. All right. Now I'm going to go to Acrobat Pro and I'm going to open my file. My file's right here. Nope, I missed it. Okay, hang on a second. Let me find it. Here's my print file, 102 megabytes. I'm going to open it. 12 pages. It's not optimized yet. It did go down 100 megabytes, but not as far as I wanted to. You can look at your properties right here, and it'll tell you how big your file is. 100 megabytes. I'm going to say OK. Then I'm going to optimize it. File, Save as Other, Optimized. They give you a lot of choices, and this is where you have a lot of control. So images, I want to downsample. If this doesn't say what you want it to, you can change your PPI right here. I want to downsample anything over 200 to just 200, and I changed all these boxes. Just know that when you open this up, it opens to whatever you used last time, and this is what I did last time. Fonts, I don't mind. I don't have anything to worry about. Transparency, because I outlined all my fonts. I want high res. Discard objects. I want to discard all the metadata here. Same here. And clean everything up, the very last one. Clean everything up. This gets rid of all the metadata that create a big file size. So I'm going to say this is optimized file just so I know, so I can see what the difference is. Okay, it's going to take a minute to work on this document. It's a really great way to make compact files either for emailing or even for storage purposes if you don't need to edit again, like versions, things like that. It won't jam up the printer. Your printer won't be spooling forever when you do this, and you can dramatically reduce your file size. Okay, so it's done. All right, file. I'm going to look at my properties to see what happened. Down to 23 megabytes. This file changed over 200 megabytes. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I hope this makes your files a little bit more manageable. Thanks a lot.